Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back. Uh, this is another episode of Chemicalherbie show about nothing, where I just talk to you guys about what's been going on. Um, so yeah, I try to do questions every time, or whenever I have the chance to do questions. I have some questions from a good friend of mine, so I'll be going over the questions, and I think I'm gonna give you guys just some stuff I've been like thinking about out loud in my head and just a couple of things that I've been using to get through the quarantine blues, I guess, just being locked away in the house for so long. So uh, hopefully you guys are ready. um, First things first, let's just get the questions out of the way because they're hilarious questions. uh, they come from a good friend of mine, Chris Barrios, from I guess he lives in the West Bay. Good dude. um, Holy shit, his questions are hilarious. So the first question that Chris asked was my top three favorite dinosaurs, and my top three favorite dinosaurs actually coincide with my favorite order of like original Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. So Mastodon, Saber-tooth tiger, and Triceratops. Those are the dopest dinosaurs for me. I thought those were the coolest things. I thought they were the best Power Rangers. Also, the next one was, would I ever date or be friends with benefits with a ghost? Honestly, probably if the only ghost would probably be Amy Winehouse. If she came back as a ghost and was like, "Yo, let's just be together," I'd be like, "Fuck it, let's do it, shorty. Whatever you want to do, afterlife, real life, let's go." Uh, yeah, right. And the last question was, is Piccolo considered black? Piccolo from Dragon Ball Z, and I consider Piccolo black. I think like I always thought that Piccolo was the quote unquote magical Negro of Dragon Ball Z. Like when things get too hard, they're like, "Yo, let's just go talk to Piccolo about things. Let's see what Piccolo has to offer in this in this situation." And Piccolo raised Gohan to be strong. So I definitely, definitely Piccolo is a black man in my opinion. But like, yeah, if you guys want to send me questions like that, like I'm gonna answer the questions you sent me. So please do. Let's see what else. So last video I did a giveaway for a Little Wayne Funko Pop, and the winner was actually picked very fairly. It was a good close friend of mine, Ross Flowers. We yeah, it was really cool. I am not done giving away pops though. I will always have some pops I'm gonna get rid of, or I think for the Halloween season get spooky, I'm gonna give away my Sanderson sister from Hocus Pocus. I'm gonna give away all three pops. If you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, all that stuff. Like you gotta put in work, and everyone who likes and subscribes and comments will technically enter to win all three of those. So I'm ready to give those away. I'm gonna be doing a lot of pop giveaways to keep the interest going. I hope it works out for me. Um, Also, like, okay, so now let's just get a little serious. Not really that serious, but a little serious. Quarantine has been driving a lot of people crazy, and it has, been just pressured on all of us. And one thing that, like, I wanted to just share with you guys is a couple things that have been helping me with, keeping the sanity, even though I've been losing the battle. But, I have way more better days. Um, So, I like to think of it as your body is a plant. Your body is a plant that needs sunlight. I definitely, have started, going out more and just being in the sun or just being outside, getting that energy from the earth. It feels good. You know, I really heavily rely on Apple Music's My Favorites playlist. It never disappoints me. Literally every song that I've like ever had like just an obsession with gets sent to that playlist every Tuesday. I think if you, I don't know if you can pick the days, but if you do have Apple Music, I definitely suggest you check out My Favorites playlist every day or every time it refreshes for you. Like I am never disappointed with it. It's been really helpful on those days I do go out. And I've been keeping in contact with people. I've been really blessed to have an amazing support system of friends that are always willing to just a text away, hang out for a little bit, socially distance style, mask on, fucking mask on all the time. Uh, and those are just some helpful things that I've been going for to keep me not in a straitjacket at home, because it feels like I'm on 24-hour lockdown, especially if I'm like working at home too. I barely get to the chance to leave the house, but I force myself out sometimes. It's been really positive doing it that way. Uh, I am going to make a video soon, really soon. I'm gonna give you guys the full story of the coma, the sickness, the things I was battling. So it won't be like one video. It's gonna be a series of videos. So I'm gonna be starting that maybe this month. The plan is to do it this month. So be on the lookout for that. I always want to, send my shout outs to the people that are very supportive. Right now, I have, always, and that's family. Forever Precise, that's the team, that's fam. They're working on a new drop for their clothing line. KP's putting out music all the time. We got a kid named Ariel, and his business. They're doing a special graduate portrait contest going on. So I'll put the link in the description. Just hit them up. Win some free grad portraits for your loved ones or yourself. I know school's been trash this year, but that could take some of the stress off if you're going into your senior year or whatever. I'm here to help. Support all of my friends. We got Dahlia's Sweet Smokes out in Boutique. Special place for me. I help out over there every once in a while. Great people. New business. They're a good head shop to visit. It's up and coming, so they do have a lot of CBD products. And hopefully you guys know your research about CBD. Do your research. Don't just go in there asking crazy questions. Be cool when you go in there. Tell them I sent you. But that's pretty much it for this video. I'm not doing a long video this time. It's like 8 minutes. I'm out. Love, peace. Show love the Kenner way. Like, subscribe, follow. I'm gonna be on Twitch again, so if you need to follow my Twitch, it's Chemicalherbie there too. I'm gonna be doing a couple of videos, or some streams. I'm streaming Ghost of Tsushima right now, and I'm not even close. I'm not even gonna lie and say I'm close. I'm not close to being done, so hopefully you guys can join the ride. I don't really do cam because I don't have a camera set up for streaming yet. I haven't figured it out, but I will. But that's it. I'll see y'all soon. That's all I wanted to do, stop by and say hey. Don't expect too much else after this. Bye.